आप सभी का संजू ट्रिक्स में स्वागत है। आप सभी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सपोर्ट और सब्सक्राइब करें और नए नए ट्रिक्स जानने के लिए कमेंट्स करें। आप सभी का संजू ट्रिक्स में स्वागत है। आप सभी
Hi friends, today we know we see to Visual Basic some interesting feature. If I want to and we want to hide any sheet like this sheet, hide. Click and hide. Hide this. The sheet are hide. Sheet 1 invisible. Let's hide. Or if we uh, want to restore this, right click and restore our sheet. Sorry, my Excel is something slow because of no response error and unhide or select all, that's unhide. Okay, unhide. 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 We see sheet 1. That's unhide. Okay. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. There are too many sheets in this Excel book. There are too many sheets. If I want to hide Excel sheet with the help of Visual Basic, and how can possible without right click or others method or shortcut method? We are going to Visual Basic, okay, and click Alt or F11, okay. Otherwise, go to Developer tab or Visual Basic. That's other method. Okay. Now I am in the Visual Basic box, display box opened. Okay. If we are uh, put some codes, that's for hide these sheets, there are where we can put codes. That's go to insert tab, then module, that's code box open. Okay. Now we go to start coding, visual coding. We know already visual very basic code start with sub or name, type of codes name. Anything you want, like hide sheet name, hide underscore sheet sheets. That's okay. That's okay. Now I want to go put sheet worksheet as a WS. That's like equal him WS, team WS, that means worksheet, worksheet. Okay, worksheet. Next line. Oh, compile error, error, compile error. That's mean any team WS as a worksheet, as to as then worksheet, as worksheet. Now correct. Now that's correct. Okay. Then if no sheets are present uh, except current cell are never hide. Current cell are never hide. Why? Because in Excel have contain one sheet at least present never hides. Okay. Then error possible. Okay. If error, then on error resume next. If error, then resume next. Okay. Then we want to all sheets are hide. Only current sheets present. Then select for all loop. For loop for many all calculations. Many all calculation for each loop. For each worksheet. Worksheet uh, worksheet are for all worksheets. Each worksheet for each worksheet in active window dot selected sheets. Okay, selected sheet for each worksheet in active window dot selected sheet. Now all are correct. For each worksheet in active window that selected sheet. Active window that selected sheet for all worksheets. Okay. Now if selected sheet है active window में all worksheet, then I want to hide sheets. Then worksheet dot visibility. Worksheet visibility, that means hide. Excel sheets hide. Okay. And next worksheet. If first worksheet are hides, then next sheet are active worksheet. Okay. If now sheets 5 are active worksheet, then active worksheet are hides. First hide, then sheet 4 are actives because sheet 5 are hides. Okay. Then next worksheet are sheet 4, then again repeat query, again repeat query. Okay. Again repeat query, that's same query. Then next worksheet, then next worksheet, Okay. On error go to 0. if एरर लास्ट में बच जाएगा एक्टिव सेट, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं बचेगा तो गो टू 0 पे आ जाएगा। अब सबसे एंड। अब हम नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट hiding step by step. If we put F5, calculate quickly. If I want to check step by step, then press F8 for step by step. Then press F8. Start. Okay, start. F8. Sub hide sheets. And then team workbook. Click error. And now each active set is selected. ठीक है. Okay, that's okay. Worksheet visibility hide हो जाए. Hides. Worksheet visibility is equal to hide. Then next worksheet visibility. Next hide. Worksheet 5 and worksheet visibility hide. And worksheet is not visible. That's hide. And sheets for active worksheet. Then next worksheet. Press F8, go to error 0, and that means there are many sheets, 3 other sheets in next, 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 next. My Excel some not responding. Okay, next hide also same hide. Okay, next, 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 next. All sheets are hide. All sheets are hide, and then one sheet first present and next finish. Error 0 goes to 0, then finish. Finish. Okay, and finish. Okay. Now all sheets are hide. That's simple way to Visual Basic using all sheet for hide a sheet. Thank you.